Hi everyone, thank you for clicking to my YouTube channel, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare this delicious fried rice, fried chicken and coleslaw. So here I have my already washed and clean chicken legs. I'll be using 3 chicken legs for this fried rice. Here I also have the ingredients that I'll be using to season my chicken. I have ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 paprika, 1 onions and 1 chicken seasoning cube. I also have my black pepper, salt to taste. I also have here my apple vinegar. Here I have my barbecue smoky seasoning powder, and I also have my mustard. So I'll just go ahead and season my chicken legs. What I'm trying to achieve here is the chicken broth, same as the chicken stock. That would be the base for this fried rice. And if you don't want to make your own homemade chicken broth, you can get it from any store or supermarket close to you. Now I'll just go ahead and add in all the ingredients in the chicken. And after doing that, I'm gonna give it a good mix and let it all blend together. And after giving it a good mix, I'm gonna cover that up and let it sit for another 1 hour so that the chicken can absorb all the ingredients. And after an hour, in a clean pan, I added in the already seasoned chicken, and I'm gonna let that cook for another 10 to 12 minutes on a low heat. So I just covered it up, and after 12 minutes I went ahead and checked on my steamed chicken. Guys, look at that. It came out really good. The chicken is well steamed, and I got enough broth that I will need for the fried rice. So I just took out the steamed chicken and I'll set that aside. I also put the chicken broth in a bowl. I set that aside as well. Now in a clean pan, I added 1 cup of cooking oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice. I let that heat up, and then I went ahead and added my already steamed chicken, and I'm gonna fry that until golden brown. It's coming out really good. Guys, look at that. The chicken looks so good and delicious. Crunchy on the outside and juicy in the inside. I'm gonna set that aside as well. And now I just filtered the oil I use in frying the chicken. I need that as well. And in a clean pan, I added my already used oil. And I went ahead and added my already washed and cleaned rice. So I use 5 medium cups of rice for this for this fried rice. I'm gonna give that a good mix for a few seconds. And then I went ahead and added my chicken broth. I give that a good mix as well. And now I went ahead and added my already hot boiled water. So I added 2 cups of water. So it's like I use total of 3 cups of water for this fried rice, including the chicken broth. Now I'll go ahead and add in my seasonings. I added 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 chicken seasoning cube, and salt to taste. I'm gonna give that a good mix, then cover it up and let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. And after 6 minutes, I checked on the rice. It's cooking really good. I gave it some mix. And now I'm gonna cover it up with aluminum foil so that the heat won't escape. And I'm gonna let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes on a very low heat. And while that's steaming, I'll now go ahead and prepare my stir-fry veggies. In a pan, I added few drops of oil, spread it around, let it heat up, and then I went ahead and fried my luncheon meat. I'm gonna fry that until brown. And now I went ahead and added my green peas. I'm gonna stir fry that for another 2 to 3 minutes. I'll keep stirring until my green peas is done. And then I went ahead and added my already chopped paprika. I use green, yellow, and red paprika. I'm also gonna stir fry that until it's partly done. Then I went ahead and added my already cooked chopped carrots and my sweet corn. I give that all a good mix together, guys. Look how colorful that looks. Stir fry is ready. Now I went ahead and checked on my fried rice. Guys, look at that. It came out perfect. So good. The aroma in this kitchen is out of this world. The rice is well done. The color is good. The texture is good. Everything is a 10/10. I gave that a good mix. Look at it. Now I'll go ahead and add in my stir-fry veggies. I'm also gonna give that a good mix. Guys, the fried rice came out perfect and colorful. Now I'll go ahead and prepare my coleslaw. So for the coleslaw, I use fresh shredded carrot, fresh shredded cabbage, and I also added in 3 drops of my apple vinegar. I gave that a good mix. And I also went ahead and added my mayonnaise. I'll also give that a good mix. Mix. Guys, look at it. My coleslaw came out perfect. Everything was a 10/10. Guys, our dinner is served and ready to eat. You are all invited. Please try this out and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Bye.